Hi, my name's Ty Cavados with Life Ionizers, and today we're going to talk about the power and the gift of alkalinity. What we're going to talk about is basically energy. There's an important balance in our bodies called the acid-alkaline balance. You've probably heard of pH before for a hair product. We're actually going to show you today how it relates into our body. Just as there is an ideal body temperature, which is 98.6, and too much variance in that, we're in trouble. You get up to 104, we're definitely going to have problems, right? Well, there's a number that is equally important. It is our acid-alkaline balance, or our body's pH, and there's a scale that measures that. It goes from 0 to 14. 0 being something that could burn through metal, and 14 being on the very high alkaline side. Now keep in mind, pH is measured on a logarithmic scale, same thing as an earthquake. When you're going from 7 to 8, it's 10 times the amount, 7 to 9, it's 100 times the amount, 7 to 9.5, it's 500 times the amount. And we're going to show you how this works with things that we put into our body every day. So now we're going to be testing pH with the scientifically calibrated meter. First thing we're going to test is black tea with regular water. Now we're going to be making the tea with a high alkaline water and seeing the difference in pH between those. And the nice thing about this is that alkaline water with tea, you can actually brew it very quickly, as you'll see. Now we can see this is measuring out at a 9.78, which compared to a 4.3 is 5 points higher. So this is actually over 10,000 times more alkaline than the regular tea. So great benefit to using the alkaline water with the black tea here. And we all know that green tea is a great antioxidant drink, and we're going to test that right now. Now what we're going to test is the pH. This is with regular water. Looks like it's going to end up slightly higher than the black tea at about a 5.3, we're going to say 5.2. Now we're going to be making the green tea with high alkaline water. Once again, it should brew very quickly because the microclustering in the aspect of the water. Look how quickly that goes. All right, so we're getting a reading on that of about 9.5, which in relation, once again, is about 4 points higher, which is about 1,000 times more alkaline. Now we're going to be testing the pH of coffee, and this is coffee made with regular tap water. Now we're going to be testing the alkalinity of the coffee made with alkaline water. So that's about a point higher. Coffee in nature is very highly acidic, so some things are going to have greater impact on, but in this case it's actually 10 times more alkaline. It's a very beneficial thing. Now we're going to be testing soda. About 3.5, very low. So now we're going to be testing alkaline water mixed with soda. about a 5.2, which is roughly about 1.8 points higher. In relation, it's about 80 times more alkaline. Okay, now we're going to be testing a water that's marketed as alkaline. Looks like we're going to come up with about a 7.2. Yeah, about 7.2. Now we're going to be testing our alkaline water. And this is at drinking water levels. Looks like we're going to end up right around a 10 pH. Now we've got the reading on the alkaline water at a 10 pH, which is about 2.8 pH parts higher than the alkaline bottled water. As far as that, the relation to, it's about 800 times more alkaline than the bottled water. So now we're going to be talking about a term that we hear a lot of. It's called ORP, or oxidation reduction potential. This is what oxidation is. It's the apple that's been cut open for 2 hours. See how it's brown and oxidized. This is an apple without oxidation. So now what we're going to be measuring is the acidic drinks versus the alkaline drinks and the difference in the ORP, or oxidation reduction potential. Now keep in mind, the more negative the number is, the better it is. The more positive, the more oxidation that's occurring. Now we're going to be testing the oxidation reduction potential in the different drinks, the ones made with the acidic water in front and the ones made with alkaline water in back. First we have green tea. Looks like that's about a positive 82, 91, right around a positive 90. The black tea with regular water, about a negative 40. This is regular bottled water that's labeled as alkaline. You have about a positive 45. And then we have the coffee made with regular water. Looks like about a negative 50, positive 50. Go. Now we're going to be testing the ORP in the drinks made with alkaline water, which is the oxidation reduction potential, the measure of antioxidants in the drink. Very high ORP here of about 140, 150. Now we're moving on to the green tea with alkaline water. Looks like we got a reading of a little bit over 100 here. And this is just the regular alkaline water. about 160. And this is the coffee with alkaline water. That's looking to be about a -60 here. On up, about a -70, 80. Awesome. 90. 100. Wow. All the way up to 110. Look at that. Awesome. Now that we've done the testing on the different drinks with the alkaline water and with the regular water, and we have a good idea of what pH and ORP means, pH being of course the delicate balance in our body that we want to keep slightly alkaline, and the ORP, which is the oxidation reduction potential, another word for antioxidants, in these various drinks and the benefits of using them with alkaline water. I hope this has been a help on understanding a little bit more on the alkaline water and its benefits. My name is Ty Cabados with Life Ionizers. Thank you so much.